Yeah, I'm definitely where you think I am. I'm in Denoa Quarry. You couldn't normally get onto these rocks, not without Wellingtons and waders anyway, so goes through, looks like out the other side. So I've actually got my torch on me, so I might even go in there and have a venture. We'll get some fantastic views from here. So I'll put on a little stopper, you can see around the front. Oh, I nearly slipped there, I stood in the water. Get on, I'll start down here, I'll get me step. My God, I look tiny! Hello everybody. Yeah, a little bit of a short vlog, a little bit of an intro, a little bit of a trailer type of thing. I'm with Mr. Jason Jones. I'm actually in his garden at the moment. We're at the Lone Tree, as you can see just here. If you don't know Jason Jones, why don't you know Jason Jones? Big in North Wales, big in the quarry, Denoa Quarry. Why are we together? We are teaming up. We are going to be doing some North Wales workshops, and maybe I'm going to try and drag him out of North Wales and take him somewhere like the Lake District at some point and do some workshops up there. But at the moment, yes, we're in North Wales. We are going to do some 3-day workshops. The first one, I am sorry, it is sold out. We had 6 places. They went in 4 days?
4 days, yeah.
4 days, absolutely buzzing. I know he doesn't show it, but this face is quite happy. Yeah, no, it's pretty good, really pleased, and you're gonna have a fun time on it, guys, you really are. But because of that, we're gonna do a second one, aren't we?
Yeah, mid-December.
Mid-December, the dates are Friday the 13th, God only knows what's gonna happen on that day, and then Saturday and Sunday the 15th. Again, 3 days, 3 nights. We've got a chapel for the first one, and I'm pretty sure we had to get the chapel for the second one as well. It's in Llanberis, so we're right on the doorstep for North Wales.
So please bring your own Bible.
Bring your own Bible. Oh God, I haven't got a Bible. I don't know what I'm going to do. So yeah, that's basically what we're here for. I'll leave it to Jason now to explain where we're going to go and what we're going to do, because he can speak in Welsh and he's going to say it in English for you.
So on the Thursday evening when you come down, you're going to check into the chapel. We're going to have an evening prayer before heading out. I'm only joking. Hopefully we'll get a sunset of the Lone Tree behind me here and Dolbaden Castle in the distance.
No chance.
Well, you never know.
You never know.
You never know. Then December. Then on the Friday we're going to head out to the Ogwen Valley. We're going to go along the Afon Choir and just shoot a lot of rivers and waterfalls. Fantastic place. If you haven't been there and haven't seen the videos from there, I know Jason's going to pop up a few photographs he's got from there. It is immense. But you will need Wellington boots. Definitely. Definitely. Yeah. And on Saturday we're going to do the Denoa Quarry behind me here. So we're going to head up to the top and right down to the bottom with the Anglesey Barracks. So that's a full day there in the quarry. And on Sunday we'll probably finish off at the Watkins Path. Fantastic waterfalls up there. It is, yeah. I've been up the Watkins Path, and there is some stunning waterfalls with some great big water pools in there. Really, really nice. Little old bridge. We will say this. It's going to be obviously sleeping accommodation. It is shared rooms. I think we've got 4 rooms, possibly 5 rooms in the chapel, so you may have to bunk up with someone else. They are proper beds. All the linen and everything's provided. We've got Wi-Fi, which is good. And a cook. And a cook, yeah. Unfortunately, guys, it looks like I'm going to be doing breakfast for you. So if you don't mind a bit of food poisoning, I'm your man. So yeah, we'll sort that. And we would like to also see, it's going to be proper walking gear. We are going to be doing a little bit of walking. It's not going to be mountain climbing, but there's going to be a bit of walking involved. If you haven't seen the quarry videos, check out Jason's. I've got one that's either coming out or just come out, just to show you what's, where you can get, where we're going to. So yeah, walking sticks, walking boots, and wet weather gear. Definitely wet weather gear. Definitely wet weather gear. We're in North Wales. So yeah, that's pretty much basically what it's all about. And yeah, hope to see some more of you on the next workshop. We've already got in inquiries for it already. The first one sold out in 4 days. So yeah, if you want to get on one of these workshops with Mr. Happy here and Mr. Mouthy here, then yeah, be quick because it's going to get sold out soon. So yeah, see you soon. See you soon.